In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Manus AI account set up in just about 5 minutes. Now, whether you're new to Manus AI or just looking to streamline your access, I'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure each part is as clear and simple as possible. Let's get started, shall we? First up, open your preferred web browser and head over to the website manus.im/login. This is going to be the starting point for accessing the wonderful features Manus AI has to offer. Make sure you're connected to the internet for the best experience. Once you're on the page, you're going to see a few options, all designed to make logging in as convenient as it can be. Now, let's choose how you want to log in. You've got some options here, and you'll want to decide which works best for you. Manus AI offers several sign-in methods, so just take a moment to determine which is most aligned with the accounts you already use. After that, you'll notice there's an option to continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Pick the one you prefer. These integrations are super helpful because they simplify the sign-in process. Plus, using a service you already trust means you won't need to remember another password, cutting down on mental clutter. Once you've selected the method you prefer, go ahead and proceed with it. This means clicking the option and following any prompts to log in through your chosen service. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, be it your Google email and password, your Microsoft account details, or your Apple ID. Don't worry, this process is pretty standard and safe, as you're just tapping into an existing system to streamline your access. Now, it's time to bring it all together. By proceeding with your selected account, you'll be creating your Manus AI account in the process. This dual action makes sure you're not only logged in, but have also fully set up your Manus profile. And just like that, you're inside the Manus platform, ready to explore all the tools and resources it has to offer. Take a moment to wander around and familiarize yourself with the interface. If you've gone through all these steps, congratulations! You've successfully set up your Manus AI account. Pretty quick and painless, right? If you ever encounter any issues or have questions, remember that there are always support resources available to guide you further. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your journey with Manus AI. Stay tuned for more tips, guides, and tutorials, and feel free to share your experience or ask questions below. Until next time, take care.